What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's King Dio, and today I got another video. And today I got Buffalo Wild Wings. So I was craving Buffalo Wild Wings burgers, and I decided, you know what? I'm gonna do something different. I'm not gonna go through the Wild Burger side of Buffalo Wild Wings just to get the burgers. I'm gonna go to the regular Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm gonna get different stuff that you can only get through Buffalo Wild Wings. So right off the bat is already going to a good start because I have my two desserts that I ordered. Gave me a few little napkins, got the little wipes, sauces, this big old sampler platter thing, drink. It's sad that, you know, they only got 20 ounce and it's in a paper cup instead of plastic, so I can't collect this. I only collect the plastic stuff. Y'all already know the vibes. So anyway, let's just get into this, and let's start with the onion ring. I haven't had the onion ring. Beer batter onion ring. I like that. It's got a nice flavor to it. Try another one. I really like that, man. It's really good. Try a mozzarella stick. A little bit of a cheese pull. They gave me marinara, so I might as well try it. Though this smells more like salsa. I think that's salsa. Like a non-chunky salsa. Got a nice flavor though. Got one of these nachos. Not bad. If you don't like soggy chips, then you're not gonna like these because these are already soggy. If it's a good enough chip and a good enough nacho, then I don't mind a little sog. I already know how their fries are. They're only as good as you make them. Oh, by the way, this is a non-zero sugar drink. So this is a regular drink. This is Mountain Dew Legend, the black Mountain Dew, whatever. So I don't think I ever tried it before. That's the only reason why I got it. I can't, like I said, I can't collect the cup because it's paper. Bro, Mountain Dew is such a W cold drink. I don't care what nobody say. Y'all gotta stop hating. So these boneless wings, I got teriyaki flavor. So let's see what they're hitting on. I'm not gonna make this a review. I'm just eating and enjoying, so just a regular mukbang. But I would say, if you're enough of a fan of Buffalo Wild Wings and what they have to offer, I would say you should get this. Are these the best nachos in the world? Hell no. But for what it is, it's really good. Because originally I was going to get a burger, onion rings, I was going to call it a day. But then I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get this little sampler thing. You get the nachos, you get the boneless wings. Onion rings and mozzarella. Yeah, so this is definitely salsa. This is not marinara. This one's more, you could tell more on this one. But it's the same thing as the other one. Now I can see the different things they got going on. So I guess this is supposed to be for like the nachos. But mozzarella sticks dipped in salsa is fire. I'm gonna try to cut out any like of me using my napkins, you know, since with this mic it's more sensitive and it picks up on all that kind of stuff. And when I'm editing, it's irritating me, so I can only imagine how it is for y'all. So I truly apologize for that. I don't know what this is. It's like some kind of queso, like chipotle cheese, like mayo thing or something. I don't know. I like it, whatever it is. That's the play right there. So get that salsa. This right here. That's what you need. Being a big bag is not for the faint of heart. Try getting this burger. Tell me that don't look good. So we have 2 patties. We got their white mac and cheese. We have thick cut bacon, hatch chili aioli, pickled hot peppers. So let's get in. See, whenever a place can successfully combine my favorite food, which is hamburgers, with one of my other favorite foods, which is mac and cheese, you're stepping in dangerous territory in terms of just how good this is. And then you got those hot little peppers on there. Brings a nice heat to it. Mac and cheese by itself is very bland. Like it's nothing special. But then again, it's never really anything too special about a white mac and cheese anyway. Because I just feel like most people don't do it right. But with the burger, as a topping for the burger, with the cheese and with the bun and with, you know what I'm saying, the bacon and the peppers and everything, it works very well. This is too good. Still got some of this, whatever this sauce is, if I can get some out. Probably just be better off trying to dip it. But I got you. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna say this. Being a place that sells wings, right? But then you also got all these different sides. You got fries, onion rings, cheese curds, tater tots, tater wedges. You got burgers. Chicken sandwiches. You got not one dessert, but three. Obviously, I just got the cookie and the brownie, but I think they got like cheesecake or something too. When it comes to all that, I gotta say that Buffalo Wild Wings compared to Wingstop, Buffalo Wild Wings is definitely better in my opinion. But when we talk about what Buffalo Wild Wings is mainly supposed to be about, it's in the name of the business. When we talking about head-to-head wings and all that kind of stuff, Wingstop all day, every day, and that's not gonna change. So I feel like if you look at Buffalo Wild Wings as solely a wing spot, then I can see how it kind of falls short. Even though it's got some pretty solid flavors and things. But as a restaurant that sells wings but also sells burgers and other things, so it does a little bit of everything. That's when I feel like you should probably look at Buffalo Wild Wings in a better light. Because I can't deny the greatness of this. I can't. So I'd definitely say you go to Buffalo Wild Wings, try the burgers, try some of the different sides and stuff. if you get the fries or the potato wedges or the tots, try to get it and add seasonings to it. You know? And after all that, if you still don't like Buffalo Wild Wings or care either way, then hey, but at least do that much. Now, a burger that they had on the menu for a while that they got rid of for whatever reason was my favorite one. The barbecue brisket burger. Hands down delicious. Like a top tier burger to me. Their hatch chili one with the chilies and all that kind of stuff, that one's pretty good too. Their regular burgers, and you kind of play around with, like, you know, lettuce, tomato, mayo, onions, wild sauce, you know, or whatever case may be. It's really good. That being said, I can't say I necessarily like this more than Five Guys burger. It was definitely up there. It is definitely up there. But it's not messing with Smash Burger. Not Smash Burger, Shake Shack. Let's get some more of this mysterious sauce. And I don't want to hear nothing of it, because you got people that go to Arby's and eat the horsey sauce. I'm not eating no sauce called horsey sauce. Seriously though, in all seriousness. If y'all got a Buffalo Wild Wings near y'all, I need to go down and try a couple other things. Because the onion rings, beer battered, really delicious. Though to be honest, I don't think I can finish this last one, because at the end of the day, it's as real as an onion ring's gonna get. And because they're so big, just eating like a big old string of onion, I don't like that. And I like onions, but I can't do it. If you were paying attention to the last two I ate, it was starting to get to me. It was like, man, I can't do it. So long to the onion ring that's not gonna be able to see his friends. That's also why I love Burger King so much, because it's got a good taste, but it's not real, it's fake. Which I don't know what the hell a fake onion ring is, but I know I told her happy birthday like 20 times already. And it's not her birthday anymore. Her birthday was yesterday on the 8th, but if you're seeing this, Lady Red, I know you will eventually, hopefully. Happy birthday, you know. You're awesome. You're gorgeous. 35 looks good on you. And yeah, I love you, you know. One of these days I gotta do some kind of pasta video. Even though I have like maybe 3 or 4, or maybe 2 or 3 or so pasta videos on the channel. Who am I to say I already got that on the channel if a loyal like subscriber asks for me to make a new one, you know? But when I be saying that, I don't be saying it like, oh, I'm never gonna do it again. Unless it's something that I don't want to do again. I'm saying that I already did it, especially if I did it like last week or something. I'm trying to do a couple of other stuff. But when you're a subscriber that's been around for a while, you comment on all of my videos or most of my videos, consistent as possible. You got special requests and things you want to see, man, let me know. That doesn't mean I'll get to it immediately, but I will eventually get to it. So, but I do find it kind of weird when people who, it's like their first comment ever, and they're coming in, they probably come in there saying, oh, you should do this or do that and everything. It's like, you should try to, you know, kind of meld yourself in, you know, like have your nice little seat and be properly integrated into, you know, the KD family. Now we're at the fun part. Now, if you see what I see, these are both in a Buffalo Wild Wings branding, which leads me to believe that these are made in house and they have the little special little branding come with it, or however that works. The brownie is made with Ghirardelli, however you say it. That it's made with that chocolate chips. Cool, awesome, whatever. You know, we do the cookie first. Oh my god, this is a beautiful cookie, right? I can tell just by holding it and looking at it, it's soft, right? So it's the perfect size for me. This is like the ideal size for a cookie. It's not as thick, I guess you could say, as like crumble or whatever, which people hate on. I'm not a hater of crumble, so if you don't like crumble, but I like crumble. But this is a triple chocolate chip cookie, and they have like white chocolate chips in it too. So let's not waste no time, man. Let's just get into it. It smells good too. Bro, that's really nice. So when I was first biting it and eating it, it was just a regular cookie, and then like the chocolate chips that I was tasting. Then like towards like the back end of the chewing, the white chocolate chips came in, and oh my god. Same stupid nut keep flying around, getting on my nerves. Man, so this is not a food review. I didn't leave no ranking on none of the food I ate. But one thing I'm make sure I'm always gonna do, regardless, is that I'm gonna rate these desserts. And for once, you can get a cookie, like a chocolate chip cookie, with white chocolate chips and no macadamia nuts. I don't like that. Macadamia nuts. I don't like macadamia nuts. I Now I gotta make a top 5. I gotta make a 5 of these cookies from these places. So we got Buffalo Wild Wings, we got Subway, Firehouse, Jersey Mike's, and the fifth one, it could be McDonald's, it could be Chick-fil-A. Don't Chick-fil-A got a cookie? I don't know. I could just do 4 right now. Man, this cookie is so damn good. 9.7 out of 10. Looks familiar, don't it? A lot of the brownies come with this kind of look, more or less. Now, before I can worry about comparing it to any other kind of place, we know that first and foremost, this is a direct comparison to Wingstop's brownie. Which, after the last time having Wingstop and eating a brownie, I do have a much more newly appreciated respect for it, because it's not bad. It's actually really good. But let's see what Buffalo Wild Wings brownie is talking about. I gotta say, like, this is the first time where I've eaten a brownie from one of these places and I wasn't really feeling it. And obviously, this is not to compare it to Dickey's. Dickey's, their cookie and their brownie was absolute garbage. Wingstop's is definitely better. This one is too crumbly, so I'm not feeling that. But it's not just the top. It's like the brownie in general has a more crumbly kind of like feeling. Now, for all I know, this could be kind of old, stale. I don't know. I don't think I ever had like an old or stale brownie before, so I couldn't tell you. But like I said, I'm not feeling the texture and everything that's going on with this brownie. Will I finish it? I don't know. I'll probably take like another bite, but I gotta say, that's like the first brownie in a while since that Dickey's video that I ate where I wasn't feeling it. But the thing that throws me off about this one is that with Dickey's, both of them was trash. The cookie and the brownie was trash. But this, y'all seen how I was eating that cookie. That cookie was just so good. It was like on another level. But this brownie just, it don't even match up. Like with all these places, obviously Subway don't have brownies, but with like Firehouse and Jersey Mike's, you know, you get the cookie and the brownie, and they're like basically on the same level with each other. It's so good. This one is like the cookie's like way up here, and the brownie's kind of like so it's like, where do we go from here? One day, first of all, I'll say this: the next time I go to Buffalo Wild Wings, I'm most definitely getting this again, obviously. And I want to make sure that I refer back to this video to know if the brownie is like this all the time, or this just was a bad batch. But it'd be kind of weird that I had a bad batch for the brownie, but the cookie was just top tier. So, and you might have some people who probably feel like this is how a brownie should be. This brownie is not ideal for me personally, and I don't want to keep on rambling too long about this, but let me see. Yeah, I don't like that. I can't finish that. If a dog could eat chocolate, I wouldn't even feed it to a dog. It's got to get a 3 out of 10. I'm sorry, Buffalo Wild Wings. That's not official because I don't know how it is. If that's how it is, then it's going to stay a 3 out of 10. But if this is just a bad batch, then the ranking could be higher, obviously. But I've spent enough time on this video. This was an awesome video. I loved it. By the way, one thing I'll do before I leave. I never open my fortune cookies. Never stop learning. Knowledge is power. Okay? Respect that. The more you give, the more you receive. I like this one. But I think we can all, vibe to that tune. The more you give, the more you receive. But it's not just about giving for the sake of receiving. It's about giving because it's just the right thing to do. And hopefully, if you're somebody like me, you get like a real satisfaction from being able to give to people, and just that alone, seeing that they're actually appreciative and happy, is a great feeling. I'm not talking about giving to people and their reaction is so stale or non-existent. I can't stand that. And I'm not saying you gotta sit there and start crying and you falling over and people gotta hold you up and stuff like that. I'm just talking about when people do nice things for you and they give to you, and whatever the case may be, that you show much of your appreciation. That's all I'm asking for, So anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, and I'm thankful for anybody who's new. If you're new, you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm not gonna make every video and sit there and try to say, oh man, like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, don't subscribe, become part of the KD family, and yeah, it's all good vibes and good energy over here. If you're somebody who you have your own channel where you do mukbangs and food reviews or cooking or whatever the case may be, don't be afraid to stop by and say hi. It doesn't matter how big or how small you are as a creator. We can all be family here. We can all share and help each other climb to the top, because to me, YouTube is still the premium platform for this space. Let TikTok run around and shoot each other with water guns and stupid stuff like that, but let us have the good quality and the good vibes of being a family. I love y'all. Till next time, peace out.